If Jesus was alive and sitting beside us right now, he'd be horrified with anyone who lives near a store but isn't vegan yet.
Jesus is vegan now and God is too. If you want to get to heaven, you better be vegan too. Fuck milk, cheese, eggs, or any kind of meat. Buy broccoli, tofu, and vegan food to eat. God wants us to be kind to the animals, or it's true, you risk getting roasted on the devil's barbecue.
Responding to comments today, and here's what you say. You say that I am the reason that you are vegan, and that is honestly so sweet of you to say. I really appreciate that. And I want to invite you going forward to help other people to become vegan. So, are you out there posting videos? Do you tell people that you're vegan? Do you have anything written on your shirt like this? Maybe you're a student and you want to write that vegan student. Or maybe you're a soccer player and you want to write that vegan soccer player. You know, whatever it is that rings true to you, write it on a shirt. Now, in this case, I wrote it backwards to make it easy for me to make TikToks out of. See? If you looked at me in real life, it would be hard for you to read it because it's actually written backwards. But this way I don't have to press the invert function anytime I'm out. Just a little tip for you. Thank you so much for contacting me and letting me know. I really appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing your videos.
Happy vegan, happy vegan, happy vegan Declaration Day.
Responding to comments today, here's what you say. You're telling me that you ate bacon. Yeah. You know, a long time ago I used to eat it too. I didn't really realize what it was. I didn't clue in that it was a 6-month-old baby pig who was murdered after a lifetime of hell, killed in a gas chamber, burned from the inside out. It's pretty horrible. I don't know if you ever did any reading about what happened in World War II, but have a look at what happened there. You know, there was a holocaust that went on, and it never ended for the animals. So now what I do is I try to let people know that they have a choice. And guess what? There are vegan options. They have such a thing as vegan bacon. I just had it today in a burger, and it tastes the same. Crispy, salty, delicious. You can go vegan. Do it.
Run, run, run from humans. They're trying to stab you. They're trying to murder you, to call you bacon and burn you in a frying pan.
Broccoli, green peppers, mushrooms, tomatoes, artichokes, vegan meat, vegan cheese. Ta-da! It's vegan pizza. Vegan cheese, vegan cheese, vegan cheese is tasty. Vegan cheese, vegan cheese, vegan cheese is cruelty-free. Go to YouTube and Google dairy is scary. Stop stealing milk from baby cows. Be vegan and make the animals happy.
Responding to comments today, here's what you say. You say that you want to be vegan, but it's hard because your parents won't let you. And you want some advice. Well, I don't know how old you are, and I could probably talk for an hour on this subject, but essentially, maybe your parents don't want you to be vegan because they have heard a lot of lies about what it is that you're going to be going through. What you need to do is teach them the truth, that being vegan is healthy, and you got to show them a good example. They're probably just worried about you. So Google vegan athletes, go and watch the documentary called The Game Changers. Also, Google vegan recipes with your parents and try to do some cooking. Make sure you get healthy vegan foods like lentils, beans, chickpeas, rice, and make amazing meals with your mom and dad or whoever it is that's helping to take care of you. Okay, do it together. Educate them slowly but surely. And stick with me on this channel for encouragement. Good luck.
And speciesism, and speciesism, and speciesism, be kind to the animals. And vegan phobia, and vegan phobia, and vegan phobia, be kind to the activists. Dance if you're vegan, hands up if you're vegan. Think you can't do it? Try it, you can. Yeah! Love animals, eat plants. Be brave, be kind, be loud, be vegan.
Responding to comments today, and here's what you say. Well, that is a really great start. Now, what about the rest of your day? What else can you eat today to make sure that you are not hurting animals? Did you try getting any tofu? What about some rice and beans? Did you Google any recipes? That's another thing you can do. There are so many different ideas. I mean, I personally eat very plain stuff. I have like chia seeds mixed with flax seeds. I grind them up and I put soy milk on them and a lot of fruit. You can also, for lunch, just make something super simple, like just open up a can of lentils, put some tomato sauce in there with it, throw some frozen veggies on there that you can cook up real quick. Keep some of those in your freezer. For example, some broccoli is really good because it's a cruciferous vegetable. So, also, oh yeah, by the way, if you haven't yet learned how to make nice cream, do that. Just Google it, nice cream with bananas. It's vegan.
Are you vegan yet? What are you waiting for? Are you vegan yet? Open the vegan door.
Okay, a quick break. We're gonna go and eat this delicious, fantastic, nice cream. This is 100% made with whole foods. No sugars, no fat, nothing. The ingredients are frozen bananas, put into a blender with strawberries, and inside there is a tablespoon of flax seeds, which ends up giving you extra omega-3 fatty acids. Tastes just sort of like a cone almost. You know how cones have that sort of wheat type flavor to them? So this is what we're eating right now. Thanks a lot for joining us, and don't forget that it's so easy to be vegan and to be healthy as a vegan as well. I'm responding to comments today, and here's what you say. You're wondering if I support people who collect dead animal body parts. I really don't. I mean, what does this do? What does this promote when we collect dead animal body parts? What does this tell people? You know, people that put the deer heads on their walls and these poor innocent beings who died needlessly. I would suggest collecting other things like vegan cookbooks. There's something you can collect. How about you collect a fridge full of kale, broccoli, carrots, sweet potatoes, and all kinds of healthy vegan foods, and even vegan junk foods if you want, like vegan mayo, right? Wouldn't that be a better thing to collect? You know, I think you already knew the answer though, right? Go vegan. You can do it.
Being vegan doesn't mean that you just do your best not to eat, wear, or use animals. Being vegan also means you bravely speak out to defend them.
Hello! So you're wondering if plants feel pain? Well, according to scientists, plants don't feel pain. They don't have a brain, so they don't have a nervous system. So it's okay to bite into them. You have a heart. You know where to start. Start being vegan right now. You know for a fact that animals do feel pain and they suffer. When we isolate them, we take them from their families, we make them feel very scared and vulnerable, we betray them. We don't have to do that. You can be totally healthy and be vegan. So why wouldn't you choose to do that? I guarantee you that when you actually become vegan and you really take it to heart, you'll never want to go back because you'll feel so good knowing that you helped so many animals. You know, hundreds of them over a lifetime, hundreds. So thanks for being here.
Plants don't feel pain, they don't have a brain, they don't have a nervous system, so it's okay to bite into them. You have a heart, you know where to start. Share this song and be vegan from now on. I'll remember this day, I'll remember this moment. Today's the first day of the rest of my vegan life. I'll remember this feeling, I'll remember this love. Today's the first day of the rest of my vegan life. From this day forward I will always be proud to be vegan, and declare it out loud. I'm here to save you. I'm here to save you. Little lambs, chickens, turkeys, fish, pigs and cows too. I'm here because that vegan teacher helped me to see beyond myself, deep into the eyes and heart of someone else.
Well, that's it for today. But first, hug time. Why? Because sometimes in life, you're the only cheerleader you've got. So wrap your arms around yourself, pat yourself on the back, and show yourself some love. Happy Vegan Declaration Day!
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's